Welcome to another channel of Enjoy Tech. My name is J to the low, or Joshua. That's my name, Josh. Today we are unboxing, well, not really unboxing, the Xiaomi 12T Pro. Yep. Let's see, 12T Pro, and maybe I'll just put on wide view. That's much better. Cool. So I have the phone. I've been using this for the last 7 days. So it is pretty cool. I got the blue version. I thought I want to be something different. It's actually really nice. Yeah, so this is the, like Textpert says, the condom case or the case, plastic case. It's quite durable, I think. I haven't dropped it yet, so I wouldn't know. But the film screen protector that is pre-installed has kind of scratch somewhere. But anyhow, cool. It is a 200 megapixel, and this is a Samsung sensor, they call it. So yep, if you want to look at the text sheet, my favorite text sheets place for a quick text sheet will be GSM Arena. If you want to have a look, I won't explain too much more. I bought it together with in AliExpress for about 1100 New Zealand dollar or NZD. Cool, and it comes with the 120 watt charger. Is pretty heavy. It's the Euro. It's a global version, so it's a Euro adapter. Oop, can't get it in while I'm filming. And you get a USB Type C to A. Have it open it. If you want to buy it off me after this review, feel free to PM me. Happy to have a chat. Cool, just open it. So this is the plastic case. This is the glass screen protector that I will apply later on once that film is fully finished. The condom case is in here, but I got it together with also additional case. This case that AliExpress provided is nice and hard, but when you put it in, it can be at your risk whether you scratch the plastic on the phone or the side plastic on the phone. And there is no protector here, so it's like an empty thing. It just, yeah, if you drop here, then yeah, things might happen. Then you get the text, but I like your term, pokepin, or the SIM card tray releaser. So cool. Yeah, so that's the Xiaomi box. Cool. All right, let's put it there. You can see I'm recording this using a Samsung S22 Ultra. The Snapdragon version is 12 gig RAM and 512 gig of internal storage. It's not too bad. It gets heat up quite as easily, and this is a director's view, so feel free to comment. Oh, this is my VIX. That's cool. So I have set it up text to. Oh wow, interesting. You can see my face, which is pretty cool behind the camera, but that's cool. I quite like this color. I'll just open this one up. I still got the sticker there. The feel is really nice. The hole is really nice. I actually quite enjoy this over the feel. Just the feel of handling and on my daily driver for the last 7 days. It has been really nice to hold. Connection has been really good. I'm using Vodafone New Zealand, or it's gonna change to One NZ. So thank you, Vodafone. You didn't sponsor me, but that's all cool. Happy to have a chat if you want to sponsor me for reviews of your network, which I have been for the last maybe 11 years. So I've been working with Vodafone New Zealand for 12 years. I finished in October last year. So far, I will say this phone, the Xiaomi 12T Pro. Oh, sorry, I forgot to introduce. This is for 12T Pro, Xiaomi 12T Pro, sorry. So no filter, no editing, meaning no editing means any bloopers will be on the video. So yeah, I'm staying in kind of a rural area in the Waitakere Ranges. So the reception is so-so. Today is super cloudy. Not sure if you can see that. Maybe not. Super cloudy. I can't see much out there. It's all the clouds and it's raining soon. Can't do my weeds, but that's cool. So far this phone has given me much better signal quality, much stable signal quality over my Samsung S22 Ultra. Not sure why. Might be the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1. Might be better. Who knows? And I'm really happy with the consistency. Even when I was in the train to work, yeah, I work for the, yeah, I'm not sure if I should say that. Oh, okay, maybe my laptop is booting up. Just 1 second. Oh, maybe it's playing some videos. Cool. It's playing some videos. I watch YouTube too, so pardon me. Cool. All right. So back to the phone. Yeah. And the battery life is really cool. I believe it's 5,000 milliamp battery. Yeah, it lasts a really long time. I hotspot throughout from 7:30 to maybe around 12:10. I'll put it on the video, my screen recording, and it still gave me a good 40%. Only used maybe 30 to 40%, which is pretty good because you hotspot and you use the phone at the same time and it still lasts that long. So yeah, I mean, I'm really pleased with the 200 megapixel here. I think it's 8 megapixel on the wide and 2 megapixel on the macro. The camera, it's not too bad. I will say overall Samsung's a bit better. My iPhone 12 Pro Max, it's still pretty good for that age. Yeah, so kudos to you, Apple. Yeah. So, and yeah, that's me for today. Thank you for your 8 minutes of your time. I'm new in this channel. Feel free to, subscribe and like this video. As what I've learned in New Zealand is straight gangs videos. So, and so it's not too bad, the quality of the photo, but the speed is really good, consistent 5G. I've been getting it. Not sure if something has changed with Vodafone One or Vodafone New Zealand, Vodafone or One New Zealand. Sorry, I'll get used to that term. I can get 5G. Wow, I can't believe it. I can't believe it. It used to be a rural area, or it's not in New Zealand Post. It's a bit confused that it's not rural, but it's rural. Strange, but anyhow, have a good Sunday. I will see you all on my next item. So hopefully I'll do a bit of mix. Laptop, iPad, watches. I got this G-Shock watch. and I got the old iPod. Yeah, I'm a newbie, and also just started a new job maybe 5 months ago, which is not new, but it's kind of new. I haven't been working for 6 months since I left my previous job, so yeah, oozing back to it. Yeah, feel free to hit me up if you need anything. I do welcome all any any sample tech stuff that you want me to test. Phones, laptops, tablets, watches. I might even go into basketball shoes. I love basketball. I have a few Jordans. So cool. Catch you all next time. See ya.